So in order to calculate the hydrogen ion concentration, the formula is very simple. 10 to the power minus pH, you put in the value and you just take the calculator and you can answer it. So the concentration has a unit of mole per dm cube. pH has no unit because it's a negative log. Logarithm, then if you take a logarithm of a concentration, then the unit is nil. But if you take the hydrogen ion concentration by taking 10 to the power minus pH, the unit is mole per dm cube. Don't forget to write the exact units. Okay, so what we have done up till now is to calculate the pH of a strong acid. These values that are given to you are the pH values of the concentrations of strong acid. What is a strong acid? When I say strong acid, what do you mean by that? So calculation of pH of a strong acid, you have you can calculate the pH of strong acid. When you say strong acid, it means that the acid which is fully ionized, fully ionized. And when it is fully ionized, it means that the hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the, that means that hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the concentration of the acid, but if the acid is monoprotic, monoprotic acid, monoprotic acid. What is the meaning of monoprotic acid? The acid which have one hydrogen ion present, the ionizable hydrogen ion, such as hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, or uh, ethanoic acid. But for sulfuric acid, the value will be double. So, for example, if you have concentration of HCl, concentration of HCl is 0.10 mole per dm cube. So the hydrogen ion concentration जो है वो भी वही होगी. It is the same. The concentration of hydrogen ion will be 0.1. But for H2SO4, if you have a concentration of H2SO4, H2SO4 is equal to 0.10, is equal to 0.10, then hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 2 into 0.10, that will be equal to the concentration of hydrogen ions. Why we have multiplied for sulfuric acid with 2 and not with hydrochloric acid? Because hydrochloric acid has only one ionizable hydrogen ions. That's why the concentration of HCl and the concentration of hydrogen ion in such questions is same. But for sulfuric acid, which is also a strong acid and it is fully ionized, and if you have its concentration, then don't forget to multiply the concentration of acid with 2 to get the concentration of hydrogen ions. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay. अब आपके पास when you have the hydrogen ion concentration, you just need to take the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration and you will get the pH of the strong acid. So that's how you take the pH of strong acids. Any question? Now our next focus is to calculate the pH of a strong base. pH of a base, strong base. तो अगर आपने इसकी pH निकालनी है स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस की, तो देर इज फार्मूला जो कि आपने KW में निकाला था. तो आप उस फार्मूले की हेल्प से, अब मैंने आपसे कहा था दैट फार्मूला इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर KW. So if you need to calculate the pH of a strong base, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि आपके पास जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होगी वो तो हाइड्रोक्साइड की जो होगी वो गिवन होगी आपको, क्योंकि बेसिस और एल्कलीज जो हैं दे प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। तो आपके पास सवाल के अंदर इन द क्वेश्चन यू विल हैव हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन गिवन होगी आपको। तो पहला काम ये है, यूजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ Kw यू नीड टू फाइंड द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन एंड देन यू विल फाइंड इट्स पीएच। तो आपको एक एडिशनल स्टेप करना पड़ेगा कि फर्स्ट यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टू हाइड्रोजन आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यूजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ Kw, and from that you will calculate the pH. So let me show you a calculation. To calculate the pH of a solution of sodium hydroxide of concentration 0.0500 mole per dm cube, or Kw की value data booklet में भी it's given, so you need to find its pH. लेकिन जब आप सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की आयनाइजेशन करते हो, when you ionize sodium hydroxide, you have got hydroxide ion concentration. So if you have NaOH, 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 it produces sodium ions plus hydroxide ions. And strong bases are fully ionized. That's why NaOH concentration जो आपके पास होगी, that will be equal to the concentration of hydroxide ion. तो जितनी आपके पास सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है दैट इज 0.050, क्योंकि एज इट इज इन अ रेशो ऑफ 1:1, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो है वो भी 1:1 में है, 1:1। सो व्हाट इज द हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज वो 0.050 ही है। सो अब आपने क्या करना है कि हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आपको पता लग गई using the stoichiometry. Hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 0.0500 mole per dm cube, 0.005 mole per dm cube। अब आपने क्या करना है, Kw के अंदर वैल्यू पुट इन करनी है और उससे हाइड्रोजन आयन निकालना है। सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप 2, हाइड्रोजन आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज इक्वल 1 × 10⁻14 इज अ कांस्टेंट Kw, divided by 0.05 you get the hydrogen ion concentration, and from that अब आप pH निकालोगे। so pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration, and the pH comes out to be 12.7, and you get the pH of a strong base. This is how a very simple calculation by which you can do it. So any question from that?